This is our jet vertical milling machine. It has an R-8 spindle, single phase 115 volt, 1.5 horsepower motor. The table I think is 8 by 30. It's in the quote. Everything moves freely. The head's quiet. It has a fine feed down on the head. We're going to bring it on for you now. Well, first, everything moving smoothly. If you tighten this knob, you have fine feed on the quill. We're going to bring it on for you now. And that's our jet fully cast machine. This machine is kind of fashioned after a Rockwell mill, heavier duty than a clausing. Once again, single phase operation, ready to go to work. Thank you for watching.